Hampton Water and Lobster elevate your burgers from basic to wow. To make the lobster, you'll need some mayo, fresh cilantro, Hampton Water, and some of these.
To steam the lobsters, fill a large pot with 1 cup of Hampton water, plus enough water for approximately 2 inches of liquid depending on the size of the pot. Add a steamer basket and 2 to 3 lobsters depending on the weight of the lobsters. Remove the lobsters from the pot and let them cool. When the lobsters are cool enough to touch, first pull off the tail by simply twisting it. In a medium bowl, add 8 ounces of the lobster meat, 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon Hampton Water wine. Toss to coat. Chop 2 teaspoons of fresh cilantro and toss it in.
To make the wine butter, you'll need some butter and, of course, a bottle of Hampton Water wine.
Add 2 tablespoons Hampton Water to 2 tablespoons softened butter, stir and set aside.
To make the burgers, you'll need some sliced cheddar cheese, beefsteak tomato, butter lettuce, also known as bib lettuce,
Worcestershire sauce and fresh ground salt and pepper,
ground beef, and brioche buns.
In a large bowl, add 2 pounds ground beef, fresh ground pepper and salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Form into patties approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. Seafood and rosé wine are a perfect pairing. Enjoy with a glass of Hampton Water wine. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.